Good Lord, look at these clips. You know what? One thing that keeps crossing my mind as I'm scrolling through Twitter and I'm seeing these clips of what it looks like is what is real and not real.
Yes, I was just thinking that.
How are we supposed to
Oh my God.
How quickly can we fact check these things? And if you were trying to encourage support from, let's say, North America, show us the worst clips that you can find.
Yeah.
And on the Russian side of it, what are the clips people are seeing there? And what would the government's best interest would be clean? Oh, look at this. The Ukrainian people are welcoming us. That's where the information part comes in.
Your message is
Like, you ever watch those clips from North Korea where everyone's just like, woo?
Yeah.
And it's like, okay, that's obviously not real.
Yeah.
Yeah, for fake footage. Like, how hard is it to make fake footage? 10 photos and videos from Russia's invasion of Ukraine that are actually fake. Look at that today at 7:30. People are already doing it. They got this stuff ready to go. They probably got a whole team, a whole floor of people. This is going to be the hardest part this time around. Is telling the real from the fake. You know? People able to create narratives. That one was fake. We were just watching that one.
Yeah.
That was from China.
Yeah. I'm telling you, man. Like, look at, like, come on. That's a blast in Beirut. That's a crazy blast. Actually, I believe this was
We covered this.
Yeah, what was that? An ammunition factory or something? Or
Fireworks?
Fertilizer? I don't know what was being stored there, but some serious explosive, obviously. Like, look at that. You look at that and you're like, oh, mass destruction. You ever seen a nuke?
Ooh.
That's a sesame seed to a nuke. Yo, it's weird that we're talking about this in 2022. We're just talking about how like post-war we've been for a long time, as far as like large-scale war. See, why does that clip look like not right now as well? Does this clip look real to you? I mean, it could be a real moment, but I'm saying, how do we know it's right now?
Yeah. You wouldn't.
And how do we know it's this conflict? Like, anything can be used to finesse.
All is fair in love and war, right?
Well, we're just going to have to be, like, really have the laser beams on when it comes to analysis of this and how we're going to extract truth from this complicated media landscape. Like that clip is not happening in Russia right now. Right? That's one of the ones.
This is one of
yeah,
those,
it's not that's not happening in Russia right now. People are looking at it though. But
is this fake?
Yeah, that's the one.
That was one.
That was the one
okay.
from China.
Oh, right.
Yeah, but it's got 100,000 views. 100,000 people saw it. It's got the hashtag.
It's number one in the top.
Exactly. Exactly. But, you know, to a certain extent, what's the difference? Explosion, pain, terror.
Watch the real ones. They're just equally as horrible.
But there's a finesse to it.
Yeah.
As far as like, what is the powerful clip?
Mm-hmm.
What's the
What draws the most eyes?
What's the cinematic clip?
Yeah.
So it's a weird way to think about it, but you know that Russia's maneuvering that way.
Absolutely.
They're going to use all content, all manipulation, all modification. That's like modern day propaganda.
Yeah.
It's going to happen on social media. It's going to happen in ways you don't necessarily expect it.
Mm-hmm.
Like that to me looks like St. Petersburg, and that looks like right now. So I'm going with that one.
Okay.
No, I'm going with that one.
All right. I'll go with it too.
I'm going with that one. Well, I mean, you can click on the guy. This is what I really encourage people to do. Click on the guy. Executive Director, Demcast USA, writing for Huffington Post. Let's see. Is it a repost that he has here, or is it his footage? See there?
From Nexta.
Okay, let's check them out. Eastern European media. To let the world know. This is getting sources, figuring out what Russian
Right.
army lost more than 30 tanks. So this is the other thing. Who lost what? Right? You want to intimidate.
Mm-hmm.
I saw some number. It was like, 40 Ukrainian soldiers have died. And then like 50 Russian soldiers have died. That's come from Ukrainian office. Right? They like that ratio. That's like, I want to fight. Yeah, we can take them. 40, 50. I like that ratio. This is the type of thing that goes back and forth. I'm not saying that there's just finesse to it.
Yeah.
How you report it, when you do your tallies, how you make it seem. You think that's what they're saying in Russia? You think in Russia they're saying we killed 40 Ukrainians and they killed 50 Russians?
No.
You think they're saying that in Russia?
Oh.
You think Putin's going on the air and saying that?
No.
No, he's saying we're dominating.
Yeah.
He said
We're clean.
we didn't lose anybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll save that for later.